Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites and taking immediate action. Plug the Bachira Azure Latch into a stable power source with a USB-C cable rated at 3A or higher and connect to your workstation. Once done, install the official driver and companion app V1, 2 or later, and grant admin permissions so the system can register the device. Make sure you note the device serial number and have Wi-Fi SSID plus password available. These details let you provision the latch and avoid delays when you move to configuration. You now configure and provision the latch step by step. Open the companion app, choose Add Device, then scan the QR code or manually enter the serial. This pairs the hardware with the cloud account. Next, set your Wi-Fi network and assign a clear device name so you can identify it later, and pick an authentication method, PIN, key, or certificate based on security needs. Once enrolled, register user keys, perform a local lock and unlock test, and verify the status LEDs indicate successful provisioning before proceeding. You finish by locking down final settings and confirming remote control. Enable firmware auto updates, backup configuration, and integrate the latch with your Azure EOT policies or access control lists so remote commands follow your rules. Then validate remote lock/unlock from the cloud console and watch telemetry for errors. If something goes wrong, immediately check power and network, review the device logs in the app, and re-provision the serial within 10 minutes. This resolves most sync issues and prevents duplication.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.